After doing so many settings, I still get app controls and browser control disabled, and Trojans start coming in. As I go back and see firewall, HNS container start to enable itself again. But lucky that I found in Microsoft article someone post a simple solution. So I record down the steps and start using this script to aid everyday startup and create new HNS container rules, and I had to disable it. Just following what he do. Using Notepad. File save. Select all file type as ***. Type your file name firewalloff.ps1. This is just the recording. The script is basic. All look for HNS container firewall rules and disable it. As I suspect svchost.ext and spoolsv.exe, I spent the free time adding more. It's not recommended, but I just feel safe to do so. Anyway, this is just to record down as memory how I tackle being hacked. Start type gpedit.msc. Go to Windows Settings. Select Startup Script. If you click Browse, it will open the folder for you to paste the PS1 file into this permitted folder. I just realized I added wrongly. Do not add PS1 file into script. It should be PowerShell script. Do the same for shutdown section. As extra precaution, I adjust the firewall control to secure so that no software allowed to change firewall rules.